from a 3-bedroom unit, naging 4 siya. So tara, umpisahan na natin. Ni hao! Welcome to another ArchiTour. Behind me is our newly turned over project dito sa Lancaster, and it is an extended Alice unit.
Originally, the house only has 40 square meters of building area, but since the house sits on a bigger lot, the building footprint has now expanded to 88 square meters. Before, it only has 3 bedrooms. Now, it has 4. The space for the kitchen is now bigger, and there's an additional bathroom at the ground floor.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa kanilang porch, and we managed to squeeze in this area because it's one of the important things then na dapat i-consider natin sa isang house. Here, you can put in a chair. In the morning, you can sit here and then drink your coffee. And at the same time, you can also put here yung mga shoe cabinets nyo para dito nyo ilalagay yung mga shoes, yung mga lagi nyong ginagamit na shoes, and also the slippers. Ayan. So, tara, pasok na tayo sa loob. So, ito yung kanilang main door. And this porch will actually shelter yung ating wooden door. So, it would help prevent yung rain na mababad yung ating door. So, tara, pasok na tayo. Now, nandito tayo sa loob ng kanilang living space. This is actually yung kanilang extended area in front. And before kasi sobrang liit lang talaga ng mga living spaces ng isang Alice unit. Now, it's very comfortable and then malaki na talaga siya. Upon entering this hallway, dati ito yung kanilang bedroom space. Now, it's actually their dining area. And then, etong space na to, this is where we're going to put in yung kanilang bench. And then here, of course, yung kanilang table and yung ating pendant lamp, which is wala pa ngayon. And then on this left side naman is actually their kitchen. So ito, we do have a glass enclosure, which is more of like a French type of sliding door. Ni-request to ni client kasi para if ever na nagluluto siya ng something smelly, yan. Hindi naman smelly, pero something strong yung amoy. Merong enclosure para ma-conceal lang doon sa spot na yun. Plus, at the same time, the reason why it's glass, para meron tayong visual continuity para hindi naman magmukhang maliit yung space natin. Kasi ang aim nga natin ngayon, di ba, is to make this house look and feel bigger.
This kitchen is actually a house extension. It has a U-shaped layout, and at the center is the cooking area. The modular kitchen cabinet is made of marine machine press plywood, wood texture for the base cabinet. For the overhead, we opted for a simple white laminate to give a clean and spacious vibe. To make the cabinet long-lasting, all our doors are of soft closing. I'm really amazed with the quartz Calcutta countertop. It matches perfectly with the black induction hob.
This one is the underneath the staircase. Imagine na kapag squeeze in pa tayo ng isang toilet and bath. Tara, silipin natin.
Upon entering, sasalubong agad itong undermount wash basin with quartz countertop. On the opposite side naman is the shower area. The client wants a clean-looking shower fixture, yung hindi naka-expose yung mga tubes. Then beside it is the water closet, or commonly known as the toilet bowl.
On my left is actually yung kanilang original staircase going up the other bedrooms. And on my right naman is the original space for the living area. Tara, pasukin natin at ginawa na natin tong bedroom. So imagine, ganito lang kaliit yung kanilang living space before. But now, it's a very comfortable and decent na bedroom space.
At the second floor, we upgraded the design of the existing bathroom. We chose a white tile na may marble pattern. In this way, mas malaki at maliwalas tignan yung space. We have a top-mount wash basin. And of course, a cabinet with quartz countertop. For the shower naman, since di namin ginalaw yung existing water line, we use a shower design na expose yung mga tubes. Let's go inside naman dito sa first bedroom. It's originally planned to be the master bedroom. Pero nilipat na namin yun sa house extension. Wala pang furniture si client, but let me show you our design proposal for this bedroom. We have proposed for a queen size built-in bed, and beside it is a built-in wardrobe.
Kung ito naman yung ating dating master bedroom door, itong side naman na to is actually the door which leads to the other bedroom. Now, ang ginawa natin is demolish natin to give way to the hallway going to the new and extended bedrooms. This one, nilipat natin yung demolish here to this side para naman sa ating bedroom number 3.
This is the second bedroom, and it is still at the existing building footprint. Inside, we can fit a single-size bed, and on top of the bed, we can have an overhead cabinet for some storage space, and dito naman sa corner, we can either have a chest of drawer or a tall wardrobe.
So, nandito na tayo sa hallway which actually leads to our master bedroom and the terrace on this side. Pero mamaya na yan. Dito muna tayo sa master bedroom. So, this door leading to our new and improved master bedroom. Look how spacious it is. So, very grand na tong master bedroom na to compared dun sa last time. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa kanilang terrace area. And if you are someone who likes to host parties, invite your friends and families over, this one is good for you.
This terrace has several uses. It can be a place where you can do your laundry, or in some occasion, you can have your barbecue grill here, or even host a party. It's spacious enough and very windy. And look at that view. You can actually see the entire neighborhood from here.
So that concludes our Archi tour for today. I really hope na nagandahan kayo and somehow na-amaze kung paano namin pinalaki itong isang compact unit dito sa Lancaster, which is our Alice unit. I know na most of you, pag meron kayong mga houses na small or compact, parang feeling nyo, yun na yun, that's it. Of course, with proper planning and proper design, for sure, mapapalaki namin and ma-fit in natin lahat ng mga spaces na need nyo. So remember guys ha, when you need any design, kailangan you would hire professionals like us, yung mga registered and licensed architects. Syempre, lahat naman tayo sa una, gusto natin makatipid, lalo na sa construction. Pero syempre, minsan, sa kakatipid natin, mas napapamahal tayo. Kaya make sure who you transact with. Mag-ingat kayo kung sobrang baba than the original price yung mga magko-quote sa inyo. Kasi minsan, ine-entice lang tayo and at the same time, gusto lang kunin yung project itself. So, hopefully, you learn a thing or two. Please, if ever you are in need of our design services, please do contact us. Yung link namin is nandun sa description box. And ayun lang. I'll see you next time. Bye!